Hey guys, this is Crypto Lord, and this tutorial I'm about to make will focus on navigating through the Binance interface. I'm currently on the app, and today I'll be doing a lot of explanation on how you can find your way on Binance. Okay, so this is a tutorial to teach you how to navigate your way through Binance, and this is especially for those who are new into cryptocurrency trading and are trying to figure out how they can use Binance platform. I know it's a little bit messy. I had that problem when I started, but you have a knack of it if you follow this tutorial from beginning to the end. Okay, so this is Binance interface. I'm using the app now. It's slightly different if you're going to be using the web form, but this is an app because I believe a lot of people are going to be using their apps to trade. So this using their mobile phones to trade. So this is Binance app, mobile app. So you see up here, first let's begin from here. As you can see, you see up here my ID and all from up here, and just hold on a sec. Okay, and I can actually change how my interface looks from dark to light using this button here. You can see that thing that looks like a sunlight, I can change that. These are some of the cool customization that you might have. I can change that, and I can to light, and I can turn it to to night. So like you see up there, then you might probably choose, if you want to get off the complication of Binance, you can just swipe and use Binance Lite. Okay, Binance Lite makes it straight to the point. For those who just want to trade, they can just go straight to the point and see the markets if they so please, and Binance Lite. But if you are going to have a knack over everything, I suggest that you start first and foremost by using the complicated interface, the well-detailed interface, which is this interface, the professional interface. That will help you navigate all through Binance and take hold of interesting functions. Okay, so I'm currently, as you can see below, I'm currently on home. As you can see here, where I'm flipping my fingers down beneath at the downward left, you can see flipping my fingers over home. So I'm currently at the home. So this is my home screen. Now, one of the things that you want to check out for benefits of having an understanding is this area here. You will see my hands going over this area here. This area, that's the menu. That looks like a menu. In computer we call that menu, but you see this place, it shows that there's stuff there where you see this marquee display of some sort. So please click on that. This area is very important for you. If you're going to be doing crypto trading, this area is very important for you because this is where all Binance announcement goes. Okay, you will always find all Binance announcements here, and one of the first things you might want to consider is new coin listings. Okay, so under this new coin listing, as you can see, there are different news that is there, different news, different updates, and you have to keep checking this section, this coin new listings, where you have information about new coins that are posted, new coins that will be traded, new coin pairs that will be added, and all. For example, if I click on Binance futures new listing, for example, it's going to take me to what is available in the options, in the futures option, in the futures trading, so that I am aware and I can take advantage, because we all know that in cryptocurrency that time is also pivotal for everyone that is trading. So you see different news and you can check this out. It's very important that you go through this announcement section, and I've just shown you how you can actually get that. Okay, so that's the news. Now this other aspect that you see here, I'll flip my hands, move my hands on it. You see deposit, referral, battle, which battle is for competition. You see margin, there's what we call margin trading. You see the launch pad, you see the savings, you see liquid swap, and you see more. Okay, so let me click on more, and I'm just going to explain few of it. I can't cover all in this stuff. So for here, you see, for this place, the common function, you see that you can actually do transfer. That's transfer of your asset. You can deposit from here, and you can check your orders. Okay, if you are buying from P2P, your orders will definitely be there, and your referral link is here. This is where you get your referral link. Now under trade, you can see conversion. Conversion is where you swap a coin for another. Not necessarily that you are doing a trading, you are just swapping at a fixed price or at a peg. You are just doing conversion, let's say from USDT to BTC, or from ETH to Link, or from Link to XRP. This, you just do the conversion straight up here. But like I told someone, I don't advise going through conversion except when you don't have the pairs, because the reason why conversion is there, that there are some cryptocurrencies where you don't have the pairs, where for example you can't trade, for example, fronts with USDT. Okay, there's a coin called fronts, it does not have USDT pair. Okay, so the way that you can do that is to just come here and convert fronts to another cryptocurrency. That's one of the basic functions of conversion. But you have spot. Spot is where you trade. Okay, spot is where you have your market. I'm going to show you that spot trading. Okay, if you are just beginning to learn how to trade, please stick with spot. On spot, it is more profitable. You can make money from spot, a lot of it actually, just from spot trading. I'm going to show you how spot trading looks. I just want to show you the navigation of this place. Then you have margin trading. Okay, margin trading is one of those trades that you do. Okay, spot trading, you do a direct trading. Margin trading has to involve leverage tokens and what have you. I'll come back to that if I can. Then you have the other one, futures. Futures is the one that you use leverage. Okay, on spot trading, you might not lose money if you don't sell. Even if your coin dipped, you might not lose your money as long as you don't sell. But on futures, you can lose your money while you're trading, and it comes with benefits, risk and reward. For example, in futures, you can actually use more money than you have currently to trade in futures. In sports trading, you can't do that, but in futures, you can use what we call leverage. You can look 10x leverage up to 125, I guess, on Binance. You can do futures trading, but futures trading is for advanced users. Okay, they are advanced cryptocurrency traders. So you want to stick with sports. I advise it strongly to stick with sport. Learn how to trade sports at least for some years, then come back to futures if you can. Okay, what future trading is about is predicting that on a particular day, a particular cryptocurrency will be at this amount of money, will be at this amount, or at this pegged price. Okay, that is why it's called futures. So it's like predicting the future of the coin, the prediction of the future prices of a coin. So that is why future trading is there. Now you have P2P. Okay, P2P is where you do exchange between people. For us personally, who are currently in Nigeria, because of the CBN ban, we can't buy cryptocurrencies from Binance directly from our banks. We have to do it through the P2P. So the P2P is simply peer-to-peer. So what it means is that you have a direct exchange between two people. Okay, either you are selling your cryptocurrency to someone on Binance platform, or the person is selling directly to you. So it's selling and buying between two people. So that's why it's called P2P. Okay, and this is more secure than most people think, because on P2P they have what we call the escrow account. I'm going to cover that when I do my P2P tutorial. Okay, on P2P you have what we call the escrow account. The escrow account holds the money, or holds the asset rather. It holds your digital asset in such a way that even after you've paid the person you are supposed to receive your asset from, and the person has not released it, Binance will not release that asset until the person confirms that they've gotten payment from you. And this is how it works. So P2P is more safe in Binance because of the escrow. Now you have what we call the stock token. Okay, stock token just came out. It's just a new feature Binance added, I think about in April 12th, I think April 12th or 13th of 2001. Binance just added that this year. And stock token is where you can actually buy stocks or fragments of stocks using cryptocurrency. It's one of the cool features is the marriage of the stock market together with cryptocurrencies, and with Coinbase going live in Wall Street is a huge one for us. So there is likelihood that more investors in stocks take advantage of this opportunity, where you can actually trade stock and also trade cryptocurrency in one space. And that is what Binance have done. And the first coin the first stock that is listed here is Tesla, for example. So Tesla is the first coin stock that is listed here. So you can buy Tesla stock from Binance with the BUSD. That's the Binance USD stable coin. So if you are up for that, you can probably check it out. Okay, so that's what the stock token is. Now, finance. On this section of finance, I'm just going to explain some few things on this aspect of finance. We have savings. Okay, savings is where you drop your stuff, and your stock, let's say your USDT that you don't want to use, you just want to leave it there, okay, and probably mitigate it against volatility in the market. You can do that on savings. Staking is another platform where you actually stake your cryptocurrencies in a particular project, or in a particular project, and leave it for some time. Okay, and as a result of people using that you are paid APY. Okay, we call it APY. That's the annual profit yield. They pay you APY on those on your cryptocurrency, okay, some certain percentage. Then we have crypto loans. This is where you can borrow from Binance. If you want loan, you can borrow from Binance to trade as well at a certain percentage interest as well. Then you have pools. Okay, the liquid pool is where you have what's it called? The liquid pool is where you have projects where you can stake your stuff on. Usually they are third parties, but Binance gives you a link to their platform. So the link you can do pool, you can swap them. But what I normally do, I use staking most of the time. I'm comfortable with using staking most of the time. Then you have Ethereum 2.0. So let me explain Ethereum 2.0. It's still part of staking. So you can stake your cryptocurrencies, and you can stake your Ethereum if you have Ethereum, and you can stake your Ethereum for a long time. Okay, on ETH 2.0 you can decide to, because ETH 2.0 is a project that is being worked on to revamp the Ethereum network. So for that to take place, there are people who have already, quote and unquote, invested in that update, so that they can actually fast track and be able to advance this Ethereum 2.0 update. So this is where you stake your Ethereum. You can only stake Ethereum in this aspect. So those are the few things I think you should know. If you want to explore the other ones, be my guest. You can actually put your BNB. BNB is Binance coin. So BNB is Binance coin. So you can is Binance native coin. Okay, so there are two native coin from Binance. We have the BUSD, which is a stable coin. A stable coin is mostly pegged to another commodity or another currency. For example, the BUSD, like it's saying, B is for Binance, the USD is dollar. So a BUSD is pegged to $1. It cannot be more than $1 or lesser than $1. That's why it's called a stable coin. It is supposed to be stable. So you have a use for that in trading, but we get into that in another series. Okay, so this BNB vault is another cryptocurrency from Binance, and which is not a stable coin, which is fungible, which is volatile as well, up and down and all. And I strongly recommend that you also get, this is just me now, I'm just advising. I strongly recommend that you actually get Binance. If you don't have Binance coin, please get Binance coin. In fact, if you are trading on Binance platform, you will need Binance coin. Binance coin actually gives you sort of discount for using their coin to trade. Binance gives you a discount on transactions fee. So you want to use Binance coin, and Binance has a vault where you can leave your coin, more like a saving. You can leave it for a long time, maybe 2 years, maybe 1 year, depends, and you get profits from it. Okay, so the others, I'm going to explain some of these to you. For example, the tax this aspect, the tax center. The tax center is where Binance always drop like a tax almost on a daily basis. Like, okay, complete so tax. For example, trade 1000 USDT today and you get maybe 30 USDT free. So that's where the tax center comes in. You might take interest in that, but I'm not a fan of that anyway. Then you have the launchpad. Okay, the launchpad is where you find new coin listings. Okay, if a coin is going to be listed and they are farming it, they will likely drop it on the launchpad. Okay, the launchpad is where you can actually farm a cryptocurrency. What do I mean by farm? For example, if a cryptocurrency is about to launch, people are given the opportunity to invest in that cryptocurrency before it comes out. So you are investing, let's say you are investing your BNB into it, for example, you get paid in that new cryptocurrency that is coming out for free. So, and you get it cheap at the initial price. So this is why launchpad is very important. You might want to take a look at launchpad and check it out frequently, because coin listings are mostly posted there, except when they are not farming. If they are not farming it, it might not be in the launchpad. But if Binance is part of the people that is farming that coin, you definitely see it in the launchpad. If Binance is not farming that coin, if it is not being built on Binance as Binance Smart Chain, BSC, you might definitely not see it in the launchpad. But if it's in the if Binance is responsible for that coin or partners of that coin, is more likely that you see it in the launchpad. Okay, voting, the word vote there is where you get currencies, where you vote for currencies. This is more for developers and their